Hello and welcome back to another week of Honours Life. This week I've gone up to pretty much nothing at all, doing no project work and spending it mostly on assignments. So I have nothing remotely interesting to talk about. So I'll skip straight on to some science that's been happening this week. So kicking that off, NASA's Wide Field Infrared Explorer has discovered the brightest galaxy humanity has ever found. And this galaxy is 900 trillion times brighter than the Sun, so that's pretty bright. And it's located about 12.5 billion light years away, so it's much closer to the early universe than what we are. It's for this reason that astronomers are thinking that this galaxy may be this bright because its central black hole is going through some kind of activity, either growing or doing something stranger we haven't yet thought of or discovered. This is a cool discovery because it just highlights again how powerful the universe is, and there are some extreme phenomena out there, especially in the early universe, that we're still to discover and understand. Moving on, but keeping on the NASA theme, the cool website that I found this week was NASA's Deep Space Network website. Now, this website has all of the main Deep Space Network satellites which are responsible for communicating with our robotic emissaries going about the solar system, and in Voyager's case, beyond the solar system. So these telescopes collect all of the data these satellites take, so they're critical for space exploration. Now this website shows you all of the dishes and what they're actually pointing at in real time. So it just puts in perspective how humanity is kind of spreading through the solar system and the awesome science that's going on every second with these remote voyages. And finally, finishing up, I did say it was going to be a pretty short video this week. Veritasium did a new video on ice spikes that form when you freeze water in a freezer. That's a pretty cool process and something you think might be relatively simple physics principles behind it, but he delves right into some very deep concepts in the video, so it's well worth a watch. Anyway, that's it for this week. See you again next week for some more Honours Life.